Defense lawyer in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is threatening to open a fraud case against police officers who compiled cell phone data over alleged discrepancies. It relates to testimony about two calls between accused number 5, Fisokuhle Ntuli, and the goalkeeper's then-girlfriend singer Khumalo prior to the soccer star's 2014 murder. Newzroom Afrika's Mnisi reports.
Defense lawyer for accused number 3, Advocate Mnisi, has highlighted discrepancies in data presented by state witness Lambertus Steyn and Vodacom expert Pinky Weitelingham. He accuses the state of a trumped-up case against accused number 5, Fisokuhle Ntuli.
This information that is contained on Exhibit 02, on paragraph 4, on that little analysis of the data, on the table there, constitute fraud, number 1. And why do I say that? It is because it differs materially from the information that was prepared by an expert who is you, who has painstakingly explained how information is safeguarded in their system. How this fraud was committed, I don't know. But with the technology these days, everything is possible. Manipulation of information as it is happening here. That's my first point.
The defense on Wednesday argued that those calls aren't reflected on Vodacom's records. Instead, the mobile operator's data shows communication between Khumalo's numbers and 2 other numbers that don't belong to the accused.
The sole purpose was to fabricate, or is to fabricate, a case, to trump up a false case against accused number 5, to make it appear as if accused number 5, and they're even very wrong here when they say after the incident, when their own information does not speak about after the incident. But nonetheless, it's a fabrication, a trumping up of a case against accused number 5 so that it appears as if accused number 5 did have a communication with the number ending 358, which number is said to be belonging to Khumalo.
This isn't the first time that the defense is raising the discrepancy. In the first instance, the state said Weitelingham would clarify why it doesn't reflect in the call data. She was then pointed to the internet data. Weitelingham told the court that she couldn't confirm the existence of the call as it was internet activity, which doesn't specify the kind of activity between numbers. The defense adds that Weitelingham's data presented in PDF form can't be manipulated, whereas the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet by Steyn could. It's for this reason and others that the defense wants to go after the police.
We hold instructions that on the basis of this information, we need to approach our instructing attorneys with a view to go and lay a formal case of, a formal complaint against the compilers of this information on behalf of our accused.
Lawyers for accused number 3 and 4 have concluded their cross-examination of Weitelingham. Accused 5's advocate, Zandile Mshololo, is expected to get her turn when proceedings resume on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.